डिफरेंस समझना कैन हेल्प यू मेक इन्फॉर्म्ड चॉइसेस बेस्ड ऑन योर डाइटरी प्रेफरेंसेस एंड हेल्थ गोल. Algae is similar to seaweed, which is found in oceans. In conclusion, non-veg and veg omega-3 supplements both offer ओमेगा 3 सप्लीमेंट्स बहुत पॉपुलर है उनके हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स के लिए, बट दे कम इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स, नॉन वेजिटेरियन एंड वेजिटेरियन ऑप्शन. इनके बीच का डिफरेंस समझना कैन हेल्प यू मेक इन्फॉर्म्ड चॉइसेस बेस्ड ऑन योर डाइटरी प्रेफरेंसेस एंड हेल्थ गोल. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट नॉन वेज ओमेगा 3 सप्लीमेंट. नॉन वेज ओमेगा 3 सप्लीमेंट्स आर डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम फिश ऑयल विच इज रिच इन EPA एंड DHA. ये सप्लीमेंट्स आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सोर्स ऑफ एसेंशियल फैटी एसिड्स प्रोवाइड करता है, विच आर नोन फॉर देयर न्यूमरस हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स इंक्लूडिंग हार्ट हेल्थ, ब्रेन फंक्शन एंड रिड्यूसिंग इन्फ्लेमेशन. On the other hand, अगर हम बात करते हैं वेज ओमेगा 3 सप्लीमेंट्स के बारे में, then they are often derived from plant-based sources like algae and flax seeds. Flax seed supplements primarily contains ALA, which is a precursor to EPA and DHA. Veg supplements rely on ALA, which undergoes conversion to EPA and DHA, and this process may vary in efficiency among individuals. Algae is similar to seaweed, which is found in oceans and freshwater. It is the main source of EPA and DHA. Fishes obtain EPA and DHA by consuming these algae or other fish that have consumed algae. Therefore, omega 3 supplements derived from algae provide a direct sustainable source of EPA and DHA straight from their natural origin. Omega 3 supplements often have a ratio of EPA and DHA which is 3:2 or 2:1. Fish oils undergo a refining process called as molecular distillation for removing contaminants like mercury and dioxins. Molecular distillation concentrates EPA and DHA, while ALA is a precursor to EPA and DHA. Only a small amount is converted into the body. But अगर आप main difference देखो between veg and non-veg omega 3 supplements, the main difference lies in their fatty acid composition. Non-veg supplements directly provide EPA and DHA, which are readily utilized by the body, while veg supplements primarily contains ALA, जो कि convert होता है EPA and DHA में. Additionally, non-veg supplements can also offer higher amounts of EPA and DHA as compared to veg supplements. इसकी वजह से non-veg omega 3 supplements are often considered more effective and bioavailable. अगर आप non-veg and veg omega 3 supplements consider कर रहे हो तो कौन सा लेना है will depend on your health goals and your dietary preferences. Non-veg supplements may be more suitable for those who are looking for a direct source of EPA and DHA, while veg supplements offer an alternative for vegetarian. In conclusion, non-veg and veg omega 3 supplements both offer health benefits, but they differ in their fatty acid composition and effectiveness. Thank you for watching. For more informative videos, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video.